I'm going to show you how to fold up and cut a paper snowflake. First, I'm going to show you using the method that I remember from being a kid. And the most important thing you need for a paper snowflake is a square to start. So let's start by cutting a square. And the way that I do that is by folding the paper like this, a rectangular paper, and then cutting off this extra piece here. If you kind of fold and score it first, sometimes you get a more perfect square. So here's my square to start. And then I'm going to fold it like this, fold it again, fold it again. And now I'm ready to cut my snowflake by cutting along this edge, and this edge. So got some different shapes here. And then I might also kind of cut off that point there. And here's where I need some really good fancy. This is going to be the open edge, so. The other thing I might do here is cut the corner a little bit to make some holes in the centers. And then let's do similar things here. All right, now, so this out of the way. Now, when I open this up, I have a version of a paper snowflake. There we go. Now I'm going to show you a different way to cut a paper snowflake that I've seen online, and it's just a different fold, and I think we're going to get a different shape out of it, so let's try it. I need to start with a square again, so I start by cutting my square from my rectangle paper here, cutting along this line I've made. Alright, and then the next step is to fold the triangle again like this. So just to be clear, if I start with my square like this, I'm going to fold it along the diagonal, fold it along the point of the triangle there, and then the directions tell me to fold sort of halfway in here. So see this like this, and then to fold this flap back over. So let's show you one more time like this. Actually, I probably want this right in here, in this crease. So I'm going to fold that in a little bit more there. There we go. And then that one's going to overlap kind of perfectly. So I have all the creases lined up here, all the creases lined up here, and it ends up with this sort of a shape. And then the last step it tells me is I want to cut along. So when I turn it over, I have a line right here. And I'm going to cut along this line to get rid of those two little tails sticking out. Okay, and now I'm ready to cut my snowflake. And it's telling me also that if I would like to cut out a bunch of this side, I can do that to really make it a more pronounced snowflake. So let's see. up. Oh yeah. There we go.